Wash your hands, get them nice and clean. Rub the front and rub the back, and don't forget between. Wash your hands, scrub it up, dub. Wash your hands, scrub it up, dub. Stay healthy every day, let the germs go away. Turn on the water, not too hot. Add some soap, just a drop. Scrub around your little thumbs, make those bubbles pop, pop, pop. Wash your hands, scrub it up, dub. Wash your hands, scrub it up, dub. Stay healthy every day, let the germs go away. Before you eat, after the loo, wash your hands, yes, that's what we do. After play, before your snack, keep those nasty germs back. Wash your hands, scrub it up, dub.